Hello everyone, welcome back again to my Learning English series. So this is the day 70 of our 90 days speaking challenge. And in today's video, we are going to talk about how to improve wrong sentences. As you know, many learners understand English, but when it comes to speaking or writing, they make so many mistakes. It's happened to you, so don't feel discouraged. It is a normal. Making mistakes is a part of the learning journey. So don't worry if you are doing the mistake. Uh, so what you have to do? First step you have to take it while reading and writing and while speaking. If you are doing mistakes, so just write it down it. Uh, After that, you can correct it the sentence whether it is right or wrong. Just you can ask to someone who knows very well about English language. So you can just ask them if this sentence is right or wrong. Otherwise, no one is with you. So you can check your sentence in the grammar application and rectify your mistake where you are doing mistake. The second thing is what the learners do. The learners do one thing. They write down the mistake and they forget it. And they not use in daily routine sentences and daily conversation they do not use. This is the really biggest mistake you do. So what you have to do, just write down it your mistake and read again and again and try to use in the daily routine conversation. That's how you can identify and you would be habitual to give the right sentences in your conversation, and you can replace your wrong sentence into right sentences. So this technique really is the very helpful for you. For an example, Sheila go to market every day. This is the wrong sentence. Right sentence is Sheila goes to market every day. So Sheila goes to market every day. You have to use in the daily. Here go is the wrong and goes is the right, because in a present indefinite we use always the mm, first form plus SEIES. We use it. So you have to do like this practice, and it is really very helpful. And the next step, what you have to do is you have to listen every day, 5 to 10 minutes. Listening. Listening really very helpful for you, because while listening, your brain um, get the right sentences and they give the proper right sentence, the proper right sentences give the answer very well. So you have to just try it. Only these type of right sentences and daily practice really very helpful for you. The more you speak, the more you practice, the fewer mistakes you will make. Definitely remember this thing. So if you are doing these type of such mistakes, so don't repeat again and again this mistake. Just rectify your mistake, identify first your mistakes and then rectify it. It is the really very helpful for you. So in starting, at the beginning point, everyone make mistakes. This is not a big deal. But if you are doing mistakes again and again, so you can't improve. Just rectify your mistake and improve every day. And this is the very beneficial for you to improve your communication skill. And this video is really very helpful for you. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.